Good morning. Just had a nice Thanksgiving weekend. Black Friday just passed. Wallet is like down the drain. Spent so much this whole week, this past month actually, and yeah, and I just got a new mid pipe for this Legacy. It's a Nameless mid pipe to finish the catback because I only have the axleback exhaust installed on the Legacy. It's also a Nameless, but it's a Muffler Delete. So today I just woke up, so I'm waiting for my stepbrother Danny to show up, and he's gonna help me with this install. Hopefully there's not many complications. I'm expecting some rusty bolts, maybe some rounded bolts, who knows, but I don't want to, hope for that. I'm hoping it goes a smooth installation, and hopefully it sounds great too. I think it's gonna sound great, and if not, then I'm gonna go louder with a downpipe in the future. So yeah, for now I'm gonna head to Wawa, get some breakfast, and wait up on my boy. See you guys soon. See, you hear that exhaust leaking? Yeah. Sound
like a very angry pig.
A what?
Very angry pig. Angry pig all year, like about to bust a load, like.
It's an angry pig. But that means I put that pipe on, it's gonna get quieter, right? Somewhat. Somewhat. Yo, this is way off. Yo, he gonna get clowned on. What kind of test fitment is that? What?
The fuck is that?
Rumbles. A little louder though. Yeah. When I drive, it's gonna be like left. Careful, it's like a curve, a sharp curve, kinda.